Hi everyone. On the last video, we have downloaded Go with using apt command from our Ubuntu terminal. On this video, we are going to download the latest version of Go from the Go server and save it to some directory in our Ubuntu WSL. So the first step is to define the directory where we're going to save the Go installer. Number two is to search for the Go installer. It will be in the go.dev server. And number three, it to our Windows. Usually it automatically downloaded to the home/downloads. And the fourth step is to copy from our Windows partition to our Ubuntu WS partition that we have defined on the first step. So let's get started. First step is to define where we are going to save the installer. Now I'm going to open Windows terminal. In this video I'm going to do opening Windows terminal and Ubuntu fast because I've already do it slowly on the previous videos. I'm gonna open terminal.
Start window. Turn to a comma. See web results 1. Turn 1 of 1 level. Terminal comma. App 1 of 1 level. Windows terminal. Terminal. Windows PowerShell. Windows PowerShell control. Git bash control. Ubuntu 20.0. Ubuntu control plus shift plus 66 of 9. Ubuntu terminal blank. Window remote app. Tool whisker at WSC colon.
Insert the prompt by
S1 PS1 quote U Ubuntu quote Ubuntu.
That's the prompt. That's our current prompt right now.
Ubuntu.
Now I want the Go installer later after we finish download it to the folder called downloads, but we don't have that folder here. So I'm gonna, by default we are at home directory. To check, I'm going to type pwd.
Double D. Command tick pwpd tick not found comma. Did you mean colon? Command tick pwd tick from D colon space D /home /whisker Ubuntu
/whisker. That's our home directory. Now I will create a directory called downloads.
M-D-R D-S.
It again with this line.
Ubuntu Cater downloads.
I have typed that mkdir downloads, press enter.
Command tick Cater tick not found comma. Did you mean colon? Command tick tick.
I mistyped. It happens with my Windows Ubuntu terminal.
Space M K R Cater D N F O A D S Ubuntu.
Now check if the folder is there by pressing
L S L N down star. E A Ubuntu.
Now press
space S L S D W N.
Just down and then star.
Down star. Ubuntu LS down star.
Enter.
Ubuntu.
Now I'm going to type the full name.
S L space L S L S D O N L O. Add slash.
I've just pressed tab. Tab is to autocomplete to the first folder or file match. Now press enter.
Ubuntu.
Already. Now I'm going to CD to download.
C D C N load slash Ubuntu.
I'm gonna check the directory pwd
space P D /home /whisker /downloads Ubuntu.
In the download. We want to save the here. Now the step 2 is to find the location where we can download the Go installer. Now I'm going to open the Edge browser.
Start window. Microsoft Edge, Microsoft. New tab dash personal dash Microsoft Edge window. App. New tab. Banner landmark search.
I press Ctrl plus L as in Lima or Lily to go to the address bar. Ctrl L.
App bar toolbar. Address and search bar search landmark collapse search or enter web address control plus L address and search space. D O N double L A D dot G O. Selection removed.
It should be in the go.dev.
Go. Space.
Press.
Loading page. Loading complete.
Because this is Edge and the default search engine is Bing. To go to the first result, press number 2, which means we are going to the first heading 2.
Clickable search results main landmark list with 11 items downloads dash the Go programming language link heading level 2.
To check the source URL, press down arrow.
Link additional results.
Down arrow again.
https://go.dev/dl menu button collapse submenu actions for the site.
It's go.dev. This is the web that we are looking for. Now press up arrow 2 times to go to the link.
Link addition heading level 2 link downloads dash the Go programming language. Loading page visited. Downloads dash the Go programming language. Banner loading complete. Complement.
Control. The loading is complete. Now I press number 1 to go to the first heading level 1.
Main landmark downloads heading level 1.
Now I'm going to press download multiple times. Press down arrow multiple times until I found Linux installer or something like that. The link to download the Linux Go.
After downloading a binary, visited link instructions. If you are building from source, see the link release history from as of Go 1.13, mirror and go check some information about these, including how to disable the use of heading level 2 featured downloads, link Microsoft Windows, link Windows 7 or later, Intel 64-bit processor.
For Microsoft Windows, we are looking for the Ubuntu because we're gonna install the Go in our WSL Ubuntu.
Link Go 1.19, link Apple Mac OS left, link Mac OS 11 or link Go 1.1, link Apple Mac OS left paren, link Mac OS 10.13 or later, link Go 1.19.3, link Linux. Link Linux February 6, 32 or later, Intel 64-bit processor.
So previously I pressing down arrow multiple times to switch lines to download.
Link Go 1.19.3. Linux-AMD64.tar.gz left paren, 142 megabytes right paren.
This is looking for is .tar.gz. I'm gonna read it again one more time by pressing numpad 8.
Link Go 1.19.3. Linux-AMD64.tar.gz left paren, 142 megabytes right paren.
This is the one. Now I want to show the context menu from this link. So it's different from each keyboard. Usually on the keyboards that I used, I need to press function button and right control. Right control means control button on the right hand. So it's FN button and right control. Let me try.
Downloads dash the Go programming language document. Link Go 1.19.3. Linux-AMD64.tar.gz left paren, 142 megabytes right paren.
I think it's currently downloading. Oh no, it's opening the context menu. I'll press down arrow.
Link source. Link Go 1.19.3.src.tar.gz left paren, 25 megabytes right paren. Heading level 2 stable versions.
This is not the one.
Link Go 1.19.3.src.tar. Link source. Link Go 1.19.3. Linux-AMD64.tar.gz left paren.
Back again to the previous link.
Link Linux February 6, 32 or later, Intel 60. Link Go 1.19.3. Linux-AMD64.tar.gz left paren, 142 megabytes right paren.
I'm going to press Control. This will automatically download the file and save it to the Windows Home /downloads. So it will download the installer to our Windows directory. Press enter.
Loading page. Loading complete. Downloading, Go 1.19.3. Linux-AMD64 left paren,
It's
1 right paren.
downloading.
.tar.gz, 142 megabytes.
Check on the progress of the downloaded the download list. Press Ctrl and J. J as in Jupiter.
Downloads document. Recent downloads list. Go 1.19.3.linux-amd64 left paren. 1. Downloading 1 files, comma, 67% complete. Go 1.19.3.linux-amd64 left paren. 1 right paren. .tar.gz 3.0 megabytes slash s-96.4 megabytes of 142 megabytes, comma, 15 SECS left, 75%. Go 1.19.3.linux- see more button. Downloads button, open downloads page heading. Downloads toolbar. Open downloads. Downloads button, open downloads page heading level 1. Downloads toolbar. Open downloads folder button.
I'm going to open downloads folder.
Downloads. Items view list. Today grouping expanded. Go 1.19.3.linux-amd64 left paren. 1.
Suppose this open the downloads folder of our Windows directory. For the record, I have already downloaded the Go 1.19 prior to this video to save the time. So we will have two downloads two Go file here of the same file, same version. So I'm just going to copy one file and copy that file to the our Linux folder that we have prepared. Now we are in our Windows Explorer. Check the the address by pressing Ctrl L as in Lima or Lily.
Address combo box collapsed. Edit deselected downloads.
So we are in the downloads. Now press tab multiple times until I reach the item list or something like that.
Search edit box. Tree view. Download. Items view list. Today grouping expanded. Go 1.19.3.linux-
looking. Press down arrow.
Go 1.19.3.linux-amd64.tar.gz2 of 12.
Now press up arrow.
Go 1.19.3.linux-amd64 left paren. 1 right paren. .tar.gz1 of 12.
This is the same file.
Go 1.19.3.linux-amd64.tar.gz2 of 12. Go 1.19.3.linux-amd64 left paren. 1 right paren. .tar.gz1 of 12.
Those are two files the same. I'm gonna copy one file. I'm gonna delete the other file because we don't need it and we don't want the file make us confused.
Go 1.19.3.linux-amd64 left paren. 1 right paren. Go 1.19.3.
We already have that file. Now for the last phase, we are going to copy the file from our Windows partition to our Linux partition. We are going to use the Ubuntu terminal to copy the file. Now back to the Ubuntu terminal. I'm gonna press Alt tab.
Downloads dash the Go programming language and one more page dash download Go dash search 304. Download Go dash search and one more page dash personal dash Microsoft Edge window. Downloads 2 of 4. Downloads. Items view list. Today grouping expanded.
Looking for the Ubuntu terminal that we've already opened.
Download Go dash search and one more page dash downloads dash the Go programming language 3 of 4. Whisker at WSC colon tilde 4.
Whisker at WSC to terminal. So the last time the directory is on the Ubuntu home /downloads. Now we are going to copy the Go file. The file starts with Go. We are going to copy that Go file to this directory. Type
space.
Not copy, move. Type in move
MV MV space.
And then because this is our Linux file system, to access the Windows file system, we're gonna use the mount directory /mnt
slash M N T
slash C, St. Charlie,
M N T slash C C slash
um, slash users,
U E R slash
then slash,
slash
because that's the name of our Windows user.
W I
If we are not sure, after I type in W and I press tab,
S E
so it will, and then I'm gonna press slash again
slash
and go to the downloads. Remember the with the capital D, because this is Windows file system.
D O W N
TOWN. Now press tab to autocomplete. It doesn't work. So
N
okay, to okay, I'm gonna backspace.
W O D slash E
So I'm just gonna go to the file where the go located, cd
space C D C D
cd
space slash M N T M N C C U E R slash D I S E
press
Ubuntu
enter. Now check the current directory.
double D D space B D slash M N T slash C slash user slash wis Ubuntu
It's supposed to be again up arrow
C D C D dot Ubuntu
ls
S tick all users tick tick asil rafa party tick default user tick public desktop dot ini mpa whisker Ubuntu
whisker. We have whisker there, so we're gonna cd to the whisker. This is, remember, this is on, we are accessing Windows file system from Linux.
C D C D
Whisk
space double I S C E R Ubuntu
again to
L S update nethood tick application data tick
remember, we need to cd to downloads.
C D C D D space C D C
D
D space
space.
D O W N L O A D S Ubuntu
If there's a file started with go here, ls
space L S L S space G O go star go 1.19.3.linux-amd 64.tar.gz Ubuntu
we have that file here. Now we are going to move the file go here to our Linux file system. Now
space
mv m as in Mars and Venus,
M V M V space
type in go,
G O
press tab, because we know that there's only one file started with go in this directory.
1.19.3.linux-amd 64.tar.gz
Complete the file name and press space.
space
Now we want to point to the directory where we want the Go installer to be located. Type in /home.
slash A O M E
This is our Ubuntu file system. /home
home slash
/whisker
D I S sir slash
whisker.
slash
We have download folder here.
D O W N
Tab.
load slash
Now we're gonna read the line that I've put in. Press numpad 8.
Ubuntu MV Go 1.19.3.linux-amd 64.tar.gz slash home slash whisker slash download slash
Huh?
Ubuntu MV Go 1.19.3.linux-amd 64.tar.gz slash home slash whisker slash download slash
The command is mv to move file, and then the name of the file go something, because we already on the directory where we download the go, and then the destination folder, which is our Ubuntu downloads in the home directory that we created on the first step. Now press enter.
Ubuntu
think it's completely successful. Now go to our home, Ubuntu home / downloads.
Space C D C D slash A O M E E M O H D space C D C
ACD
D tilde slash D O N F O add slash
with the line,
Ubuntu CD tilde slash download slash
press enter. Now we're gonna type in ls to list the line,
L S
enter.
space
Now
L S
let me check by pressing numpad 7 to read the previous line.
Go 1.19.3.linux-amd64.tar.gz
Numpad 7 again to read the previous line.
Ubuntu LS
So the file is there. So we've already downloaded the Go installer to by default first to our Windows, and then we move the file to our Ubuntu home partition. On the next video, I'm going to use that file and install it on our Ubuntu system. All right, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.